Now suppose we take 100 gram of water, and in this water we add sugar crystals, and these sugar crystals, they occupy the space between the water particles. Now some empty space is still left, then some more sugar crystals you can add in it, and then what happens, easily it is dissolved, and in this condition the solution is called unsaturated solution, when the easily the solute particles are able to occupy the space between the solvent particles. So this is called unsaturated solution, means more solute particles can be dissolved. So a solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature without rising the temperature is known as unsaturated solution. So, what is unsaturated solution? A solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved at a particular temperature is called unsaturated solution. To prepare a saturated solution of copper sulfate, we keep dissolving copper sulfate at 50 degree Celsius. When no more copper sulfate is dissolved, we get its saturated solution. So in this way we can make saturated solution of any substance. And what happens if this solution is allowed to cool? Then solubility decreases. When your temperature will be decreased, solubility will also be decreased. Now the next topic is concentration of solution. What is concentration of solution? Actually, children, the term concentration is most often used when we talk about solution. Concentration of a solution is expressed in the term of amount of solute present in a given mass or in a given volume of solvent. Usually, concentration of a solution is defined as the mass of solute present in definite volume of solution, which is usually taken as 1 liter. Concentration of solution may also be expressed in terms of percent by mass of solute in gram. So its formula is mass by mass percent of solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. It is also called percent of solute. So mass percent of solute equals to mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100, or percent of solute when you have to take out for solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Second, mass by volume percentage of a solution, then it will be mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. What? Mass by volume. Mass by volume percentage, mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So these two formulae are there. Now one numerical we will be doing. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. Now how will we solve it? Mass of solvent is given 320 gram. Mass of solute, that is salt, is given 40 gram. Solvent is water, solute is salt. Now solution you will calculate because you do for solution. So formula, mass by mass percentage of solution, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. So calculate the mass of solution. Mass of solution equals to mass of solvent plus mass of solute equals to 320 plus 40 equals to 360 gram. So now keep it in this formula, all the values. So what you will have? Mass by mass percentage of solution equals to mass of solute, that is 40 gram, upon mass of solution, that is 360 gram, multiplied by 100. So 40 upon 360 into 100. Calculate. Both zeros are, no, 1 0 से 1 0 cancelled. So you have, when you calculate it, it is 11.1%. Okay. So this is mass by mass percentage of solution, 11.1. So if in question concentration percentage is asked, you will write it 11.1%. If no percentage is asked, only concentration, you can write 11.1, or answer can be written in percent, 11.1%. Both are correct. So that's all for today. Thank you.